Hi guys, welcome back to yet another beauty vlogs. So in this video I am going to show you step by step how to do wedding guest makeup look. So without any further ado, let's start this video. So firstly, here I am using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and for that I am using Weight Beauty Blender and apply it and blend all over my face and neck area. By the way guys, before applying the foundation you have to prep your skin, and for that I have already made a separate video on that, and the link is in the I button. So firstly please check that video and then come back and follow the steps. After foundation, here I am using my most favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. Concealer mainly used for two purposes. First is to cover your dark area and dark spots, and second is to highlight your face. Blending is the key for a flawless makeup, so whatever product you apply on your face, don't forget to blend it very well. Now this is contouring time, and for that you do not need to buy a separate contour stick for that. Any dark brown lipstick do the same job. So after foundation and concealer, your face become very white and flat. So because of contouring, you can give it your face proper structure and shape. You can hide your double chin as well and give a proper sharp nose. Nose contouring is little bit difficult, so first a few days you have to practice it, then you can try. Now here we do baking, and for that here I am using Sugar Cosmetic translucent powder. So baking usually do under the eye area and above the jawline area, where we using the concealer, and keep it for a 15 to 20 minutes around, and meanwhile we will start our eye makeup. As you can see here, I am applying brown color from Nykaa palette on my corner of the eye, crease and above the crease area. Now I am taking this red maroon shimmery color from Swiss Beauty palette and applying only on my outside corner of the eyes. As per my outfit, I am selecting eyeshadow colors, and here the Swiss Beauty eyeshadows are very difficult to build, so you have to work it again and again on it and build the color. So my main outfit color is yellow, so here I am using this golden yellow color on my eyelid. Here I am not really happy with this Swiss Beauty eyeshadows, so here I am again using Nykaa palette and this golden color to blend this red and yellow and make it look good. Now the same color pattern we have to apply it on our lower lash line as well. Complete the eye makeup by using liner, kajal and mascara. Now we'll dust off our translucent powder and we'll start applying all the powder products. Here I am using Sugar Face palette to contour, blush and highlighter. For sun-kissed look, you can use halka sa blush on your forehead, nose and chin. Highlighter is one of the important steps of your wedding makeup look, so mainly apply it on your eyebrow bone, cheekbone, nose and cupid bone. Here I am using Color Bar lipstick in the shade Red, which is totally going with my look. more intense look, here I am using highlighter in center of my lips. On top of that, I am here using lip gloss to make it more shine. And the final step is a makeup fixer, and here I am using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer to keep my makeup crease free and long lasting. So finally my makeup is ready. Now let's get dressed and see how it will be look. Now you can see guys the final result of my wedding guest makeup look, which is totally matching with my outfit and accessories. Please comment down below section and let me know if you like it or not, and ask me any question if you have. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care.